About this item: MFi certified USB to Lightning cable, made with intelligent chip, the USB to Lightning cord, full support with iOS versions and all future updates. They are of high quality, high pull resistance, fast charging and transmission speed. Certification ensures complete charge and sync compatibility with your iPhone/iPad/iPod devices. Comprehensive security protection, multi-potent safety system ensures complete protection for your devices. MFi cable built-in smart chip to match the current required by devices automatically to protect your iPhone/iPad from overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and overheating. Efficient data transmission. iPhone charger block can intelligently adjust the voltage and current output. Ensure the safe charging of your device without damaging the battery. It can support up to 2.4A fast charging and synchronize photos, music, videos, and files at a data transfer speed of up to 480 Mbps. USB wall charger for iPhone 5W. USB wall charger with Lightning cable ensure wide compatibility that works for iPhone 13/13 Pro Max/12, 12s Pro/12 Pro Max/12 Mini/11/11 Pro/11 Pro Max/SE 2020/XS Max/8+/8+7+6S/6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+6+ years warranty for this charger and lifetime technical support. 2.iPhone original USB power wall charger, 2-pack, plus, 2-pack, 6 feet M5 certified lightning cable. In the description to get this product today at the best price.